Have you ever found yourself scratching your head wondering why your business isn't showing up on Google Maps, or why customers are having a tough time finding accurate information about your shop online? It's a common frustration, and not being easily discoverable online feels like you're invisible to potential customers who are ready and eager to walk through your doors. But here is the good news. There's a straightforward solution to boosting your visibility and ensure that your business information is spot on, and that is verifying your business on Google. Now, verification might sound like a technical hurdle, but it's actually a golden ticket to making your business more accessible, trustworthy, and customer-friendly in the world's biggest search engine, and it's actually pretty easy to do. I'm Torie Mathis, marketing agency CEO, digital marketing coach at the Smart Arsenal, and verifier of many, many businesses on Google. And in this video, I am going to walk you through the steps to verify your business on Google, making it a breeze for you to claim your rightful spot on the digital map. In this video, you will learn the benefits you get when you verify your business with Google, how to verify your business for the very first time, how to re-verify after changes, step-by-step verifications instructions for the 5 ways that you can verify your business, and what to do if you run into problems and want to kick your laptop across the office. No judging. Say goodbye to the days of customers getting lost on their way to your business or calling an outdated phone number. Let's dive into how you can get verified and start shining online right now. Verifying your business on Google is a crucial step for any business owner looking to boost their online presence and credibility. And here is why it is so important. First, visibility in Google searches and maps. Verification puts your business on the map. Literally, it allows your business to appear in Google Maps and local search results, making it easier for customers to find you. Whether someone is searching for your business by name or looking for the services that you offer, verification ensures that your business shows up at the right time and place. Next, it increases your trust and credibility. Customers tend to trust verified businesses more. Seeing that your business has a Google business profile conveys legitimacy and professionalism. It tells customers that Google has confirmed your business is operational and located where you say it is, which can be a deciding factor for customers choosing between you and a competitor. Next, it allows you to control your business information. Verification gives you the ability to manage and update your business information on Google. This means that you can ensure that your business hours, contact information, and other critical details are always accurate and up to date. Incorrect information can lead to a poor customer experience and lost business opportunities. Really quick, did you know that verifying your business on Google is actually completely free? If you ever get contacted by somebody saying that they are representing Google or saying that they can get you verified on Google and that it's going to cost something, it's not real. All of this is completely free to your business. So next, it allows you to access insights and analytics. Once verified, you gain access to valuable insights through your Google business profile. Google provides data on how customers found your listing, what actions they took, such as requesting directions or visiting your website, and even how many people called your business directly from the listing. This information is gold for understanding your audience and refining your marketing strategies. Next, it gives you the ability to respond to reviews. Verification allows you to respond to customer reviews directly on Google. This is a powerful tool for reputation management, allowing you to thank your customers for positive reviews and address any negative feedback promptly. Engaging with your customers in this way can improve your customer satisfaction and loyalty. It also allows you to use Google Posts. Verified businesses can use Google Posts directly to communicate with their customers from their Google business profile. This feature lets you post updates, offers, events, and news directly to Google Search and Maps, helping you engage with your customers and keep them informed about what's happening with your business. It also gives you a competitive advantage. Having a business verified on Google can give you a competitive edge, especially if your competitors are not taking full advantage of Google's offering. It enhances your online presence, improves your local SEO, and makes it easier for customers to engage with your business. So let's talk about how to verify your business on Google. To update your business name and other information on Google, you must first verify your business. When you verify your business, you can check that your information is correct and that you you are the only one that can edit it. To avoid delays, make sure that your address meets Google's guidelines. When you add or claim a profile, you can verify it through phone, text, email, or video. You may have to verify with more than one method. Available methods depends on the business category, public info, region, support hours, and volumes. So first you want to pick a type of verification. You may not be able to pick one. They may just give you one. And the verification methods, they are automatically determined and they can't be changed. Often Google has to review verifications. These reviews help maintain the integrity of profiles. They can take up to 7 working days, and when you're verified, you'll get a notification. If Google can't verify your business with the first method, then the Get Verified button is going to show up again. If the button reappears, then you can try another verification method that is being offered. Now, after you verify, it can take a few weeks for your updated business info to actually show across all of Google. You can update and add your info at any time. You can connect with customers through your profile. You can learn about posts, reviews, and messaging. Now let's say you need to re-verify after you've made changes. To maintain quality of business info, Google may ask a verified business to verify again. Now if you change some information about your business, you may need to re-verify. Google might also ask you to update your business info or give more details about your business. To re-verify, go to your verified business profile and follow the steps. So there are standard verification methods. The first one is phone or text. To get your verification code, make sure that you can answer your business phone number or receive texts. Interactive voice response systems will not get the code. Go to your business profile and click Get Verified with phone or SMS. Then you just answer the call or open the text with the code. In your profile, enter the code. Easy peasy, right? The next way is email. And again, just like the phone number, you want to make sure that you can actually use and access the address in the verification screen. Go to your business profile and then click Get Verified and then choose Email. And then you want to follow the steps in the email. The next way is video recording. You can verify your business with a video upload that captures key details. The video helps Google confirm that you represent the business. Sean had to do this for Miles Through Time, and he said it was actually pretty easy. Video verification is for businesses with a physical storefront, service providers without a physical location, or hybrid businesses. Your video recording shouldn't include any sensitive information like bank account numbers, tax or identification numbers, or other private information, or show anybody's faces. You don't want to show anybody's faces. Take the time to plan your video. Your video should meet these requirements. It needs to be unedited and unique. It has to be one continuous recording without any breaks. It has to show the location of your business. You want to capture the official street and the number sign, nearby businesses, or the area around your business that shows that your business is at the correct Google Maps location. For businesses with a physical location, show evidence that your business actually exists. Capture the storefront, showroom, or business signage. For service providers, record equipment or other items related to your business. Capture the products for sale, branded equipment, marketing materials, or tools that you use to serve your customers. You want to demonstrate proof of management. You want to show that you are the authorized person to represent your business by recording employee-only items or areas. Record yourself opening a cash register, accessing a point-of-sale system, unlocking the staff room or kitchen or storage room. Then you submit your video. On your mobile device, go to your business profile. If you start verification on a computer, to continue on your mobile device, you can scan a QR code. You want to tap Get Verified and then choose Capture Video. And then you tap to start recording. You could be asked to allow access to your camera or microphone. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue. Record your video, tap Stop Recording, and then upload your video. After you upload your video, Google will review it. Reviews can take up to 5 business days. If you're verified, you will get a notification. If the video method didn't work, the Get Verified button will show up again. You want to make sure that your video meets all of the requirements, or you can try a different verification method if available. Now, optionally, once you're done, you can delete your video. You can delete your video at any time. If you cancel a video upload, both you and Google lose access to the video. To delete the video on your mobile device, go to your business profile. At the top right, tap tap More Advanced Settings. Tap Video Uploads and then delete the videos. The next way is a live video call. The first thing you want to do is get ready for the call. You want to make sure that your mobile device can join a live video call. Google support representatives will help you join the call. You want to confirm that you're at your business and make sure that you can demonstrate location and ownership on the video call. For example, your current location, you can show outside signs. Examples might include your street name, nearby businesses, or the area around your business. You can show business or equipment. You want to capture your operations. Examples can include stock for sale, branded equipment, marketing materials, or tools that you use to serve your customer. If you need to show proof of management, you can show access to your employee-only items or areas. Examples can include a cash register, a kitchen, a storage room, or non-sensitive business documents. You can also use your keys to open up your facility. If you enter a queue, you can choose to contact the Google Help Center. It'll usually take 24 hours to respond, and they may ask you for more information. The next step is to start a chat with support on any device. You want to go to your business profile, click Get Verified, then click Video Call and Next. You'll need to select a language. To start the text chat with the next available support representative, click Start Call. Next, you will show your business via your video call via your mobile device. When you're ready, a representative helps you join the video call. To show your business location and ownership, you use your camera on your device. The next and most common way to get verified is by mail. If verification by mail is available and you choose this method, then Google will send you a verification code to confirm that your business is at the listed address, and you must enter your unique code. Now, while you wait for your code, do not edit your business name, your address, or your category, and do not request a new code. If you edit your info or request a new code, Google will cancel the code in the post and send you a new one. Now, this action protects the integrity of your profile. Each verification code is unique to your business and the location that you provide. If you update your business address, only the code requested for the current address works. Verification codes expire after 30 days. Most codes arrive within 14 days. You want to go to your business profile and click Get Verified and then choose Postcard. Make sure that the address is correct and that you can get mail there. Then you click to request the code. Then when you get it, you want to enter your verification code. You want to keep your code secure. Google will never call you to ask for your verification code. Now, what if you run into problems? If you have any issues, you have a few options. As always, you can drop a comment right here and I will do my best to help you out. Next, you can hop over to the Google Help community where other Google pros can offer up some advice. Or if you'd prefer, you can contact Google support or set up an appointment with a Google advisor. I will put both of those links down below in the description for you. After you verify your business with Google, how about we get you some reviews on Google and all across the web? I have a free review boosting bootcamp happening right now, and you can join for free and get the step-by-step, easy-peasy instructions on how you can get your business set up for reviews, how to get more reviews, and even how to deal with negative reviews. You will also get a ton of done-for-you templates and scripts, tools to automate your review process, and I am giving you a professionally designed review landing page that will get you more reviews today. And you can join for free at toriemathis.com. Get more reviews. I'll put the link right down below for you.